Well, it is time for our Pet Doctor segment again, well, we have Dr. Larson who always joins us, and we thank you.
Thank you.
But who is this?
I brought Daisy. She's pretty cute. She's 14 weeks old. She's a toy Aussie. And
how much bigger is she going to get?
She's not going to get 20 pounds maybe.
That's it?
Yeah,
Okay.
she's not going to be very big.
That's the toy part of the name.
She's just very attentive, checking everything out.
Yeah, and then we're going to talk about something that is very important because it's an easy mistake that people can make. You know, we give our pets food that we're not supposed to, but you can give them medicine that is for us that you're not supposed to give them. How dangerous can that be?
It can downright be a poison, and it can kill. And one good example of that is called ibuprofen. We all have heard of it. It comes in different names, but ibuprofen.
Now, obviously, it's something we shouldn't give them. But how do they get exposure to it elsewhere?
Well, sometimes we do give it.
Yep, sometimes you make that
people,
mistake.
Make a mistake. They think, well, gosh, this helps me. It's safe for me, and I'll just give maybe just a piece of one to, say, Daisy. Bad idea. They might have a bottle of ibuprofen left out someplace. A pet gets into it. That's probably the more common way to get into it.
If you're like me, you probably drop one.
Yeah.
I have that problem all the time. And if it hits the floor, my dog is going to be
Yeah, you got to be hanging on to those guys, don't you?
So why is it that it's okay for us but so bad for them?
It's all about the biochemistry of you and I versus our dogs and cats too. We'll put cats in there. Ibuprofen toxicity affects both, but mostly dogs if we get into it. Ibuprofen is called a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, and through a process of different enzymes, one's called cyclooxygenase and another one's called prostaglandin. These guys produce pain, which is a good thing. You need to know when you're in pain.
Yeah.
But one of the ingredients of ibuprofen has some side effects in it. The side effects are hemorrhage in the stomach or hemorrhage in the kidney. Now, you and I, there's a label that says don't take so many of these for that reason for us. But and it's not made for pets. But if a pet would get into that, they're going to have hemorrhage in one of those two organs, and it can be very, very serious. And
you talked a little bit about the stomach, but some of the stomach issues that they'll have?
Well, what happens with the stomach is, it takes lower doses to cause this, actually, we get ulceration in the stomach, bleeding in the stomach. As the ulcerations occur, then the stomach acids that are normally present eat into the stomach more, and actually will cause a stomach rupture, death after that.
Wait, so so let's not give it to our pets. How about the kidney issues? Let's cover that real quick.
Well, Tim, the kidneys also have lack of blood supply to the kidneys will cause the kidney tissue to die. It takes a little more ibuprofen to cause this to happen, but of course, if you get into a bottle of it, that's plenty to do it.
Yeah, no kidding.
The kidney tissue dies. With that, we get kidney failure. Oftentimes, it's non-treatable. Yeah. And the pet dies of kidney failure. But there's also another one, neurologic form of toxicity. We get seizures, coma, and guess what? Death.
So what's the final takeaway here?
Don't do it.
Yeah,
don't give human medicines to your pets. And then mainly, because I said probably the more likely thing is if you have a bottle of, say, ibuprofen sitting someplace and you think, oh, that's safe, my pet never gets anything. I heard that a few weeks ago. Did one time, a bottle of ibuprofen. So don't do it,
guys.
Use the medication that's okay for your pets. There's not one pet medication that has ibuprofen in it.
There you go. All right, that's some great advice there. Thank you, Dr.
You're welcome,
Larson.
Tim.
Stick with us. We're coming right back.